So I'm really excited. This is my new charcoal barbecue sent to me from Char-Broil, and they've asked me to review it. So let's get unboxing. So before you start the build, it's really important to check that you have all the components so there's nothing missing. So we've checked all the components against the manual so we know that nothing is missing before we start our build. We've laid the components out on the carpet so nothing gets scratched or damaged, but keep in mind that some of the components, like the grill grates, arrive with oil on them, so you want to obviously make sure they're not sitting on your carpet. So I finished the assembly of the Char-Broil Charcoal L. Putting this barbecue together was pretty straightforward, but I would like to point out that when you are fixing the lid to the barbecue, you really need 2 people. This is so you can line up the holes and put the bolts through to secure the lid. Putting this barbecue together requires just 2 simple tools. You need a Phillips head screwdriver and a 10mm wrench or spanner. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Coming up soon is the review for this barbecue, so look out for it.